Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to create business account in Pinterest. So it's pretty simple. So first click on this icon over here after opening Pinterest, and then click on this icon at the top, and it's going to take you to your setting. Now on your setting, click on account setting, and on account setting scroll down until you see unlock business tool. So click on it. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to convert your account to business account? Click on convert to business account. So over here write your profile name. Let me write a profile name, Witchy Shop, and click on next. Now enter a website link over here. Let me enter my website link. After entering your website link, click on next and click on how would you describe yourself. Are you a creator, influencer, whatever you want, but if you do not know anything, you can just click on other or I'm not sure, and click on I'm not sure and click on next. Would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? If you want to run ad on Pinterest, you can click on yes, no, but if you don't know, you can just click on not sure and click on next and click on done and click on next again, next again, next again. And how would you like to start? And how would you like to start this? By creating an ad or creating a pin or exploring your profile. So let's click on explore your profile. So this is my business profile, as you guys can see. So that's how you set a business profile on Pinterest. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.